Hi friends, let's check the jobs in Indian Bank for the post of Chief Strategy Officer. I'm checking the notification. If you want the application format, go back and click in the application format. You will get the application format. Now let's check the advertisement for the post of the Chief Strategy Officer. The eligibility criteria and the terms of the service is furnished. Name of the post is Chief Strategy Officer. Strategy and on the contract basis job, this is name of the post is Chief Strategy Officer. Employment is contract basis. Place of work is Chennai, Corporate Office, Indian Bank. Period of contract is 3 years, and if your work is satisfied by them, another 3 years will be extended. That is total 6 years. If your work performance is good, they will extend 3 plus 3, that is 6 years. Termination of the contracts with the prior 1 month notification. Educational qualifications is CA, CFA, MBA, Finance from a recognized institutions. CA, CFA, MBA, Finance. Mandatory experience is 10 to 12 years in the banking or the fundraising and the investor relations. Check the desirable experience and check the age is minimum 40 years, that is 40 years to 55 years. Candidates can apply. Age limit is the candidates having the age of 40 minimum and less than 55 years can apply for this job. Mode of selection is only personal interaction. Job profile is Chief Strategy Officer, shall be reporting to the manager director. Next we will check the indicative list of the KRS. See all that one. It's a bit too lengthy. Next we will see the compensation is market linked remuneration. Perquisites will be as applicable to the general manager cadre, bank, accommodation, provision of car, driver, mobile in case of outstation duty, traveling, etc. Working hours, normal working hours. Leave is 12 days leave per year. Procedure to apply is application complete in respects. Application fee is 1000 and application for the post of the chief to send to be following address. Demand draft application, that is DD application fee 1000 rupees. Check the following credentials are to be enclosed along with the application form. Date of birth proof, mark sheet, certificates, all job experience certificates, etc. Photo identity proof and address proof. Eligible candidates should apply before 29/8/2020. Any application received after the due date will be rejected. Mark sheet, passing qualifications, technical experience, job profile, etc. Application fee must be paid by the single demand draft MC or issued by the scheduled commercial bank payable at the Chennai DD in the favor of Indian Bank, Chief Strategy Officer, VP Strategy and the Investor Relations. You take DD in that name. Okay. Candidates are required to provide the valid personal email ID and the mobile number for contacting them. See the general instructions out there. Canvassing in any form will be disqualification, led to disqualification. Thank you friends. Subscribe to this channel for more updates.